Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to fix a very common error of Microsoft Word. And that is whenever you start typing in Microsoft Word, you might be getting an error message that says you cannot make this change because the selection is locked. So there is a very simple fix that you will have to do. Close your Microsoft Word, then bring up your File Explorer. Then navigate to Local Disk C. Here look for Program Files and then open Microsoft Office. Now open Office 16 and inside Office 16 right click on OSPPREARM option and select Run as Administrator. Now click Yes. And close this window. This time, when you will open Word document again, so you will find the message has been disappeared. And now you can type. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for your time.